I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. So kids, in our today's video, we will continue the same chapter, which is chapter 14, Baswa's Farm. See kids, in our previous videos, means in part 1 and in part 2, we have discussed many topics related to this chapter, like digging the soil, sowing the seeds, the sprouts appear, growing plants, and now today we will discuss our last topic of this chapter, which is the onion crops. Now kids, as you all know that in the previous topics we have learned that how Baswa and his father together has grown the onion crops. Now kids, first of all I will write here Baswa, because the story is all about this boy Baswa. And which crop Baswa is growing? Means Baswa, his father and his family members. Onion crop. Now finally everyone at home is very happy. Now why? Because these onion crops are now big and healthy. Now healthy means that they have grown very nicely. Like Baswa's father has given water and fertilizers to these crops regularly. So these onion crops have grown big and healthy. Now kids, as you have seen, like this is the soil and this is the onion down. So kids, as you can see in the picture also, there are leaves of onions. See, as I've told you that onion grow inside the soil. Yes, onion grows inside the soil and leaves are above the soil. So, when these leaves turn yellow and it started drying up, this means that you have to take out this onion. This I have told you in my previous video in part 2. Now kids, after taking out this onion, means whole onion plant, Amma and Auntie, yes. Amma means mother. Baswa used to call his mother Amma. And Auntie in Hindi is Chachi ji. So Amma and Auntie, they both are cutting the onion from here. Means when the onion plant is there, now with a tool named Illich. A tool named Illich. Now with this Illich kit, means with this tool, Amma and Auntie are cutting the onion from the top. Means they are removing the yellow leaves from the onion with the help of this tool Illich. Now kids, as you can see in the picture also, this Illich is a very sharp tool and you have to take great care to handle it. Means whenever you are using it, you have to be careful to not cut your fingers. Now kids, finally the crop has grown. Amma and Auntie has removed the yellow leaves also with the help of the tool Illich. Now this onion crop is ready to go in the market. See kids, Appa means father and uncle. Uncle I have told you kids last time, Chacha ji. Now Appa and uncle they are filling the onion crops in the sacks. Sacks we call, kids, in Hindi we call bora, like bori. So in sacks, Appa and Uncle are filling the onion crops, and where they are taking these onion crops? In the big market. Now taking this crop to the big market, they are using truck. Now you understand, kids, that when you get the fruits and vegetables or any crop like onion or wheat or rice from the market, means from the small market you purchase, that comes from a long way. Yes. See, first of all, farmers are growing the crop, they are digging the soil, they are sowing the seeds, they are removing the weeds, then they are putting water and fertilizers regularly. Then after cutting and all, these crops are coming to the big market. Then from the big market, these crops are going to the small market, and then again one small market, and from there you are purchasing these crops. That's why, kids, whenever you take any fruits, any vegetables from the market, it is said that before eating, wash it. Why? Because it passes from so many hands and it comes to you after a long way. Now, kids, as Baswa's father is using the truck to take the crops from the home to the big market, you can use, means other people can also use, in place of truck they can use tempo, and they can, previously the people also use animals to carry crops like donkey. You can use rickshaw. So there are different types of vehicles which you can use to carry the crops from home to the market. Now, kids, we will do one activity related to this chapter. This activity, kids, is in your book, page number 117. Now, in this activity, there are some pictures in which I will show some agricultural implements to you. Now, what are agricultural implements? See, kids, agriculture means farming, and implements means tools. So, I will show you some agricultural implements, means some farming tools, and then we will identify its name and its name in our area and its use. So, kids, our first implement is curage. Yes, and what it is called in our area? See, sometimes in Hindi we call it hal. Like we call that farmer uses hal, मतलब farmer हल चलाता है, जो किसान होता है वो हल चलाता है. So in Hindi we call it hal. In our area we call it hal. And what it is used for? It is used for plowing the field. Plowing means to making the field, to making the soil up and down, so that we can make it ready to sow the seeds. Now the next implement, or you can say the tool, is khunti. Yes, kids. And in Hindi or in our area we call it kudal. And what it is used for? It is used for digging. Yes, it is used for digging the soil. See, kids, in this chapter also, in Baswa's farm, Baswa's father is using the same implement for digging the soil. Now, the last picture is of illage. Yes, as I told you in this video only about this tool, illage, and in our area we call it sickle, and it is used for cutting vegetables. As we have seen that in this chapter also, Amma and Auntie are cutting the onion crop with this tool only. Now kids, this is our next activity which is in page number 118. See kids, in this activity they have shown some steps to grow the crops. Now these steps you have to make in order. Order means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means you have to give them a numbering. Now kids, first of all, before giving the numbering, we will write the names of the steps. Now kids, the first picture is of removing the onions. And the second picture is of removing the weeds. Yes, weeds means unwanted plants, as I have told you. Weeds means unwanted wild plants. So, in the second picture, there is removing the weeds. And in the third picture, they are sowing the seeds. Sowing the seeds means they are growing the seeds. In the next picture, they are digging the soil. And in next, they are cutting large plants. Yes, the large plants which are there, they are cutting them. And in the last picture, the appa and the uncle are filling the sacks with onion crops. Now kids, we will give them a order. Yes, we will make them in order by giving them numbers from 1 to 6. Now you can see kids, I have given these activity a number. So kids, finally we have done this activity. Now kids, I hope you got this chapter. This is the last part of this chapter. Now kids, let's move to the activity corner.
Page number 115. Baswa helps his father in the field. Do you help the elders in your family in their work? What do you help with? Yes, I help my father in buying things for our house and my mother in cleaning. Page number 116. Do you enjoy doing that work? Yes, I enjoy doing that work. Which work, kids? Like cleaning the house with the mother, buying things from the market with the father, and many more. Page number 116. Write answers in your notebook. Why is Baswa not able to attend school for some days? Baswa is not able to attend school for some days as he needs to help his father with his field work. In this chapter, kids, I have told you that Baswa used to help his father in the field work, means in growing onions. Second, are there any fields near your house? What is grown there? Yes, there is a field near my house. Crops are grown in that field. Kids, in this question, you can write your answer according to your choice also. Page number 117. Baswa's appa takes the onions to the market in a truck. Think, how would fruits and vegetables be taken to another place if there were no proper roads? It is very difficult to carry fruits and vegetables if there were no proper roads. In the previous years, people carried fruits, vegetables, and crops to the market in bullock carts, boats, donkeys, etc. Page number 117. What kind of vehicles are used to carry fruits and vegetables? Thela, rickshaw, tempo, trucks and tractors, etc. are used to carry fruits and vegetables. Page number 118. Find out about a crop that is grown in your area. Also find out the steps that are part of this work. Draw them in your notebook. Rice, wheat, mustard, vegetables, etc. are grown in my area. Now, kids, from these crops, you have to take one and then you have to write the steps of how it is grown. See, kids, in this chapter, Baswa's farm, we have studied that Baswa and his father and all the family members contribute together to grow the onion crop. First of all, they dig the soil, then they sow the seeds. Afterwards, they remove the weeds, and there are many more steps related to growing onion crops. Same way, kids, in this question, you have to take one crop and then you have to write the steps of growing it.